Yo, Damo, where are you?
Yeah.
Ah, there you are. What are we doing today?
Well, I've got to clean my pool, but I'm probably going to delay that a little bit because we're going to go for a drive. It's about 3 hours away. We're going to go save a 2017 Series 2 SSV Redline Commodore. It's an LS3. Unfortunately, it's an auto, but it is what it is. I like going out into the bush, out into the middle of nowhere, and grabbing cars and bringing them back and save them. If you have a look at one of my previous videos, I did that for a car that's sitting in the shed over there. We'll show you that on the way out. That one came from Western Australia and they had a full restoration and now it sits in my shed. So I've never owned a VF. I want to go save this one. It's an opportunity to save an Aussie icon and clean it up. And then I'll hang on to it for a while and see where we go from there. But we're just taking a break from restoring Tiranas, Monaros, even FJ Utes for a day. Jason and I are going to go for a drive and pull this one out of the country. It's nearly 3 hours west of Adelaide, so it's a fair way away for people that are watching from overseas. But you know, I get these leads every now and then, and I just can't help but want to go save these cars, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. It's a beautiful day, so let's get going, brother. Oh, let's have a look at this car that I saved last time.
Sure.
That's it there. The car
that's
cover,
the car cover.
The car cover is the car.
That's hilarious.
This one came from WA, and now it looks like that. So we're gonna go get one now. It's blue, it's the next model up from this one. I'm gonna hit it right now. If you see this bridge here, you'll see a Monaro sign. It's on the way into Adelaide, but the reason why that's there is because this area around here, which is heading out towards Elizabeth Way, is where all the GMH Holdens were made, bulk of them anyway, over the years. So it was a specific plant that was designed purely to build cars for Australians. So in some sense, we're lucky that it happened here in Adelaide. You know, to give you some sort of an idea, if you're watching from overseas or in America or the UK, by the way, in the UK, can you imagine the size of England? You can fit that into South Australia, just the one state we're in, with plenty of room to spare. It's a massive, massive, expansive country here. But the Elizabeth Holden plant's just over there on the right-hand side. And luckily, there's a lot of parts around here for the Holdens, because this is where they were made.
Bakery, lunchtime.
We're just about to head up to a place called Snowtown, which is not famous for what you think it should be. It's Google it, Snowtown. It's where John Bunting. I think it's not John Bunting.
Yeah, John.
John Bunting and some associates killed 11 people and put them in barrels and put them into a disused bank that was in the main street of Snowtown so they could collect their Centrelink benefit payments, government payments. So, not a very famous way to be known.
I think they call it infamous, right?
Yeah, it's infamous, but we're just about to go through there. Interesting part of the world out here. It's definitely out in the country.
There she is, what we come for.
Okay, so there's a couple of things that need to be fixed on this car. We'll go for a quick walk around. You're going to see the before, then we'll spend some time and money getting this repaired, and then you'll see the after. But we've got a couple of scrapes here. Got to get a small paintless dent removal happening here. This stuff will come off. It's just a scrape on this side. The rest of it's all in pretty good nick. The engine cover's sitting in the boot. We're going to put that back on. We'll get the car detailed. The interior's a bit messy as well, so we'll get that one sorted. We've got a couple of small light scrapes down the side here. We'll get that sorted as well. We can fix those. And I'm going to take these off as well, because it's not an SS Group 3, it's a VF SS. But everything's pretty much factory in this. It's got a head-up display when you drive it. It's got paddle shift because it's a 6-speed auto. It's got the last of the Corvettes, basically the LS3. It's a great combination. and it's a beautiful car to drive. I actually haven't driven it yet. I've been watching my brother. He's been driving in front of me. We're going to get this thing home and start to get busy on making this thing look like it should again. So keep watching. Alrighty, it's day one of getting this car. So now it's going to go through a mild resto. Nothing crazy, just fix up some scratches on the side, which will be pretty easy, I think. And I'm going to take these stickers off, and I've got to fix over here the back window. The back window has come off its regulator, so that's an easy fix. I can pop that off, clean all this up. That gives you an idea of how dirty this car was. Fixing these regulators isn't a big deal. It's quite common in these new cars. They come off, you just got to take your door trims off, have a look at what's broken there and just replace it. It's pretty quick. I'm quite confident this car is going to come back once I finish looking pretty much like it left the factory. So I'm going to clean all this out now, keep going on it, then I'm going to take it down to the car wash, vacuum it, get these stickers off the side. Oh, I've already removed the one on the back. And I think I'm going to go, there's some scratches down the other side, which is the passenger side. It's only very light, so we're looking at paint correction there. Luckily it's got this bonnet protector on it, so there's not hardly any stone chips. Beautiful colour, amazing colour. Remove these, you've just got to lift up the edge here with the plastic applicator, and then just pull them out. They pop out real easy. Yuck, this one's at it. So more parts are arriving. Swap over the consumables. Wiper blades are next. Time to get rid of these god awful stickers that shouldn't be here. This is not a Group 3 SS. Nothing that a hairdryer can't fix. Just peels off. That's one sticker off. Just got to do the other side over there, and then I'm going to put the start button in. I'm going to swap that one over. Haven't done one before, but it looks pretty straightforward. All right, so I've managed to pull this start stop button out without having to remove these trims. Just lever them up a little bit, get a couple of clips off, get a bit of angle to it, and away you go. Because this button has got the clips on the side that make it easy to pull out. Those ones there, just pops out. All done. Door trim off. It's time to replace that, rip the old one out. So that's the regulator that goes into the window. This is the rear passenger side one, and typically what fails is this wire here, it snaps. I reckon when I pull that one out, that's exactly what's going on. Yeah, you can see that cable's let fly, so I'm going to replace this. There's some bolts here, There's a 2 connected pin as well, so I'm going to pull all that out and then swap it over. Okay, so I've managed to undo all the screws that hold the regulator on, and there's a chock that you can buy that just holds the window up, so the window's now come off the bottom of the regulator, which is sitting at the bottom here, and I've got to pull the regulator out and swap it over with that now. All right, that's all back in. I've just got to adjust the window on those nuts there, tighten it back in, and then you pull these 4 nuts back in, tighten them up. It pays just to check it once you put everything together. I haven't checked this yet, but I just plugged it in. You won't work without you plugging in this. Yeah, we're good. That's done. Put it all back together. Now ready for a major service. This gets dropped off. The front shockers and strut tower bushes are going to get replaced as well, along with all these parts and trans service. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you like these videos that I'm producing, and also the YouTube stuff that's coming out, and the Facebook page, which you probably would have seen this one on. But don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. That particular VF SSV that is now not here, we've got the Suns WRX, because the VF SSV that you've been watching was a Series 2, and that's now gone to a new owner, and hopefully they'll enjoy it, and hopefully it will start to become something like this, where it's stored in a shed and it's looked after, because it's the last of the Australian motoring industry, and it was a 2017 model as well. So look, there's going to be some other cars that are coming up soon. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, like I said before, because I think that you're going to be wanting to watch the next stuff that's coming through the works of Weather Restorations. So enjoy, have a good one. See you later.